Well, Linux hates me. Well, let's see first how I came to this. Hello, this is my Chuwi laptop. It's running Windows 11 right now, and really I wouldn't think about changing that. But I've seen that my teacher uses Linux on a daily, as a daily driver, so I was curious, could I install Linux too? So, as a Raspberry Pi owner, I have some experience with Linux. Not the best experience, but I have some. So I got my USB and SSD. Then I loaded to BIOS to deactivate secure boot. So I deactivated the secure boot, then saved all the parameters and connected my SSD, loaded on my flash drive, selected F2, then my SSD, and the first option, Pop OS. Well, the one that I wanted. So I went to mouse to change some mouse settings because the sensitivity was very low. Then I discovered that touchpad settings is a separated option from mouse. Then I went to displays. I wanted to change the scale, but the two options that there was, it's 100 and 200. And that thing made me curious. Is it like a Pop OS problem, or is it in general in Linux? Well, I was about to discover that. I selected 100, it was bad, restarted, and next time I went to Zorin OS. The letter was very small, and the cursor too, so I had fears, but I want to try it. Then I went to settings, and another time I went to the touchpad configuration, and the same thing, only 100 and 200. I went to Dragonized Garuda Linux, and yes, it had a global scale, finally, but it will apply only after a restart. Okay, I configured the mouse, set up all the installation, keyboard, I erased Windows fully. I wanted to forget about Windows forever. And then, after restarting to the system, well, I was disappointed. And, well, I gotta stick with Windows. Of course, I'm sure that there is a driver, a way to solve this, but if in Windows it works out of the box, I will stick with Windows. At the end, it was just an experiment. So yeah, this is my little Linux story. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And of course, be careful reinstalling your system. Make sure that you have another option if it doesn't work. And also make backups. Now, yes, this is Dan. Thank you for watching. See you next time.